Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, I am so super excited whenever it comes to unboxing. Yes, so guys, before I go ahead, I just want to thank you all so much, my amazing family, my YouTube family. You guys are the best. Thank you also so much. Yes, so what are we going to be unboxing? We are going to be unboxing manual grinder. Yes, before I go ahead, I can remember almost about 5 or 3 months ago when I did a video concerning my ogbolo seed, how I turned my ogbolo seed into powder. Oh my god, you need to come and see comments. The comments you guys left for me, you guys are the best. So many people were suggesting use this, use that. You can also check Amazon for a better blender. You can also do this, you can also do that. I didn't read that comment alone, guys. Even my hubby even read it. My teenage daughter, she said, mommy, this your family, they are the best. Yes, you guys are the best. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be showing you guys the manual blender which I got for myself today. Over here is my manual blender. If you are from Nigeria, you will know this blender very well. just to, you know, lock it there. And also here, you tighten it. It's very easy to, you know, install. Yeah. Then I'm going to take this, just put it here. I think it's, I don't really know. I'm just going to put it here, just as you are seeing me doing it. So with this, I think we are ready. You know, we are ready because the last time I visited Africa. Then if you like, you can just place this one here. That is, if you like. It's not obligatory. It's not mandatory. You can just put this here. Then I'm going to put a bone. I'm going to look for a bone and just put it here. And so wait. So I'm going to remove that. It's very stiff. I don't know. Maybe it's because. Now, you guys see that? Oi! Here comes my ogbolo. So I'm going to do a video of that after this video. What I'm going to do first of all is to go and wash it because it's not washed yet. I'm going to wash it, clean it. Then maybe tomorrow I'm going to come out with how to grind your ogbolo. Guys, I'm so super excited. Thank you also so much for your comment, for your recommendation, for everything you guys said in that video. I really appreciate you guys. I just want to tell you guys that Beauty now has a manual grinder. You guys see that? So on the package it says that you can use it to grind anything. So this is how it came. It came with this. This is just the manual over here. This is the manual. So my elder sister was the one that recommended it. She asked me to get 3 more of this in case it got broken. And in the carton it says you can use it for anything, for dry and for, you know, wet. So you can use it. You can also use it to blend your tomatoes. So that is it for this video. And if you have watched up to this extent, I say may the good Lord bless you all. Thank you also so much for your love, for your support, for your recommendation on that video. I really appreciate you guys. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed, guys. Bye bye. Stay blessed.